In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up this Ryobi 40V lawnmower. First thing to do is turn the clips on either side. We've got this one here, turn that out. Then you turn the one on this side, turn it up. And you're going to lift the handle all the way up. And there's a hole right here. And you're going to turn this back around. Just going to click into place. Like that. Over on this side we can just turn this and it'll slot into place. Now our handle is secured. If you want to adjust the height of how tall you're going to be cutting your lawn, you can lift this up. Put it in a position like this. If you want to cut it really short, you just bring it all the way down. So this lawnmower is capable of bagging, mulching or side discharging. To set up for side discharging, lift this flap up, lift it up quite high. Bring in your side discharge flap and you're going to slot it in to the little slots here so that these pegs will drop into the side discharge. So you're going to push that in and that'll come down and they'll slot in and now you're ready to side discharge. If you want to mulch, lift up this back plate and bring the mulch plug in. There are 3 notches on the bottom here. You got 1 on the inside, and you got 2 out here. They line up with the 3 notches on the mulch plug. So we're going to bring a mulch plug in and then just push it in. So if you want to remove your mulch plug, just pull the handle forward a little bit and pull it out. Next thing we need to do is assemble the bag. Now leave the hard part of the bag on the ground. Bring in your metal bars. We're going to slot these in like this so they're opposite from the hard side. When you're putting this on, make sure that the top of the bag comes underneath this arm here. This is your handle. So we'll bring that like that and hook these on. So if you don't do it this way, it'll be really challenging to clip on. So we can clip these on like that, and then that gives us a handle to pick up our bag once it's full of clippings. Ones on the side here, you just hook these over. A little bit challenging to get them hooked on without them falling off. Bit of a terrible design of a bag, but we'll get there. Now you're going to use these little pegs here to attach the bag onto the lawnmower. Lift this cap up. We're going to slot the bag into the peg on this side and the one on this side. Now you can insert your battery. I am using a knockoff battery. I'm doing some tests on it, so we'll see how well this performs. Push it in until it clicks in place, and now we're ready to mow. If you're not sure how to operate this Ryobi lawnmower, pull the bar back, press the button here to start it. Release this bar to stop it. If you want to go forward, pull the bar back. Pull these handles in and that'll make the lawnmower drive forward. And if you want to adjust the speed, use this little toggle on the back here to slow it down and speed it up. I'm going to be bagging my clippings today, but that's how easy it is to set up your Ryobi 40V lawnmower. If you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should check out this video here next.